Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Tiny spark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Swims in dark, do-do-do-do-do-do. In the park, do-do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark, she's so kind. She helps baby every time. Swims so fast you'll never find a sweeter shark of any kind. Daddy shark with big white teeth hides behind the coral reef. He plays tricks and acts so tough, but he's soft when things get rough. Grandma shark bakes fishy pie underneath the sea blue sky. Tells cool tales of days gone by with a twinkle in her eye. Grandpa shark goes for a ride on a seahorse by his side. Takes the kids for ocean slides while they giggle and they glide. Let's all swim, do-do-do-do-do-do. Time for fun, do-do-do-do-do-do. In the sun, do-do-do-do-do-do. Everyone, do-do-do-do-do-do. Sharky Day, hooray, hooray. Friends all come around to play. Laugh and splash and dance away in the ocean every day. In a meadow so bright, under skies full of blue, Timmy skips happily, and the butterflies flew. Baba Sheep stands by, all fluffy and white, with a shy little smile, glowing in the light. In the meadow so bright, under skies full of blue, Timmy skips happily, and the butterflies flew. Baba Sheep stands by, all fluffy and white, with a sheep stands by, all fluffy and white. When the meadow's so bright, under skies full of blue, Timmy and Mia, both bright as the day, spot a fluffy sheep in the meadow at play. Mia waves her hand, so friendly and spry. Baba Sheep nods with a bashful sigh. From the meadow so bright, all fluffy and white, with a shy little smile, with a bashful sigh. Timmy and Mia, both bright as the day, spot a fluffy sheep in the meadow at play. Mia waves her hand, so friendly and spry. Baba Sheep nods with a bashful sigh. Timmy sings out with joy, a tune in the air. Baba Sheep opens a scroll glowing and rare. Mia claps her hands, rainbows sparkle so bright. Floating and twirling, they dance in the light. In the meadow so bright, a tune in the air. Timmy jumps up, popping them with flair. Mia counts loudly, 1, 2, 3. Then he bounces with glee, so full of glee. Floating in the meadow smile, full of glee. Benny the bunny hops in with delight, carrot in hand, his eyes shining bright. The kids all laugh as he bounces around. Baba Sheep nods and joy does abound. Under a sky full of stars, kids slide on rainbows. Paco the parrot flies high, repeating in flows. 1, 2, wee, as they swoosh and they glide. The stars blink and swirl, sparkling worldwide. In the meadow so bright, under a sky full of stars, kids slide on rainbows. Paco the parrot flies high, repeating in flows. 1, 2, wee, as they swoosh and they glide. The stars blink and swirl, sparkling worldwide. Anna hums a lullaby so soft and so sweet. Floating musical notes dance to the beat. Baba Sheep taps a drum, Benny's head bobs. The music unites all the animal mob. The sun sets low, the sky turns to gold. The kids and the animal stories unfold. Baba Sheep wraps a blanket so tight as the stars twinkle down, peaceful sight. Timmy and Mia say goodnight so true. In many languages the words fly through. Good night.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, through the town from morning light to evening's gleam. We ride along, a happy team. The doors on the bus go open and close, welcoming friends as everyone knows. With a beep and a honk we're on our way, exploring new places every day. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 clearing the rain with every swish. Through sun or storm we laugh and sing, enjoying the joy that each day brings. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 waking the city from its sleep. With cheerful tunes and happy feet, our journey's rhythm is our beat. The people on on the bus go up and down, smiling faces all around, sharing stories, songs and fun. Our adventure has just begun. The driver on the bus says move on back, making room on the busy track. With kindness, patience and a grin, he guides us safely through thick and thin. The baby on the bus goes wow, 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 but soon is soothed by gentle Ma. With lullabies and cuddles tight, the baby's tears turn into delight. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 calming the baby with a gentle hush. With love and care they ease the ride, keeping peace on every side. The kids on the bus go giggle and play, making the most of every day. With games and laughter, songs and cheer, they spread happiness far and near. The bus stops by the zoo so grand, where animals greet with a wave of hand. Lions roar and monkeys swing, adding joy to everything. The bus then heads to the park so green, where children play and sights are seen. Swings and slides and picnic treats, a perfect place where fun repeats. As the sun begins to set, the bus returns without regret, homeward bound with hearts so light, dreaming of the day's delight. The wheels on the bus slow down and stop at each child's home with a gentle hop. Goodbyes are said with hugs and smiles, remembering the day's joyful miles. The stars in the sky begin to gleam as children drift into a dream. The bus rests to its journey done, awaiting the rise of the morning sun. So when you hear the engines hum, no adventures are yet to come. The wheels on the bus will roll once more, bringing joy from door to door.
Farmer Joe woke up at dawn to find his carrot patch was gone. He scratched his head, looked all around, then heard a crunch, a munching sound. Behind the bush, a bunny sat with orange crumbs beneath his hat. Ah, Benny the bunny, fast and sweet, loves to nibble garden treats. He hops and skips, he zips away, back to his burrow to hide and play. Farmer Joe said, not again. He built a trap with wire and pen. But Benny saw the carrots placed and sniffed around with bunny grace. The trap went snap, but he was sly. It caught his fur as he zoomed by. Ah, Benny the bunny, quick and bright, dodged the trap and laughed in flight. He left a note that said with glee, I'll only take a snack or three. Farmer Joe was quite surprised. He laughed until he teared his eyes. I guess this bunny's not so bad, just hungry, cheeky, maybe glad. So Joe left carrots on a plate, and then he came, he wouldn't be late. He took just 3 and left to bloom, a little flower to light the room. The next day came a basket too, with berries, nuts, and pebble blue. Ah, Benny the bunny, sweet and true, made a friend and kindness grew. A bunny patch with leafy beds and happy hearts and carrot heads. Now Farmer Joe and Benny play, they share a picnic every day. With all the forest friends they cheer, let's grow with love and not with fear. And in the garden, calm and wide, a brand new carrot grew with pride. Ah, Benny the bunny, soft and bright, sleeps beneath the stars at night. The tale of Joe and Benny's bond will grow like carrots in the pond.
Triceratops, with horns so green, marching strong for all to see. Stomp, 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 and munch, munch, munch. Leaves and plants he loves to crunch. Stop, stop, munch, munch. Stop, stop, munch, munch. Tyrannosaurus, big and loud, roars so fierce and mighty proud. Chomp, chomp, chomp with teeth so wide. He stomps and shakes the ground with pride. Roar, 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 chomp, chomp. Roar, 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 chomp, chomp. Brachiosaurus, tall and high, stretching neck up to the sky. Nibble leaves up in the trees, swaying gently in the breeze. Stretch, stretch, nibble, 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 nibble. Dino stretch, nibble, nibble. Dinosaurs from long ago, big and strong and full of glow. Stomp and roar and stretch so high, underneath the dino sky. He stomp, roar, stretch, hooray! He stomp, roar, stretch, hooray!